And hello, this is Bill Kaufman with RemoteTradingRoom.com. And today we're going to look at the end of the week. This is Friday, September 1st. So we're going to just look at how the options played out for the SPY and the IWM. I got the Thinkorswim trading platform up. This is after hours, so the simulated numbers are exactly the same as the non-simulated trading, the real time. So these numbers are good. So let's look at the SPY, and I already opened up today's option statistics. And we got calls and puts, more on the put side, PC ratio of 1.34. Okay, we'll close this up and look at time and sales. Let's see what happened here today. Okay, so the largest call was 15 September, right at the open at 6:30. Remember, I'm Pacific time, so that's 9:30 in New York. And so the 15 September 23, 500 call, 5,000. They paid only a penny, and condition is none. And current price 451. So they're not waging much, just to see what happens in the next 2 weeks. And 1302, this is at the closing time. 17 November 432 put. 14 745. Red's a sell, and its conditions. Let's see what we got. Well, here it is. So it looks like they sold the 432. They bought the 429. So it's a credit spread at where they believe that the SPY will still be above 432. So, and let's see what else we got here. We got some more of these. 432 at 429, same type of trade. 432, 429, again, credit spreads where they believe the SPY will still be above 432. These were all done right at the closing time frame. Okay, so let's go down here. I like this one. Here's one at 6:30, 432 put, and 6:30, 429 put. They bought that and they sold that. So this one's a debit where they believe the market will be going down. One's above toward closing time, believe the market will still be maintaining where it is or going up, whereas the early morning option trades suggested the belief market be going down. Let's take a look at it some more. Okay, here's the 420 selling at 410 for October around 11 o'clock, so they're believing the market's still going to stay up. 445, 435. Again, thinking the market's going to stay up. Another early morning trade, 432, buying that, selling to 429. So early morning, they believed the market was going to be going down and toward November. But as got later in the day, it turned around where they believe the market will still be going up, or at least maintaining for them to be, keep their money, be good positive trades. So that's pretty interesting for the SPY. Let's look at the other one, the IWM. And of course this is the Russell 2000. Let's look at today's stats. 468,000 calls, but look at this, puts 1.4, almost 1.5 million. PC 3.145. It's rare that you see it that high, put to call. So let's look at the actual trades, time and sales, and see what happened today. Okay. Well, toward closing time, you got the 194 call. They paid almost $1. Remember, this is one option represents 100 shares, And this is per share price, 94 cents. So got to multiply by 100, so that's $94 times the quantity, 4,750. So they spent a little bit of change on this. Whereas here we had closing time, 183 put. Let's see, well, yeah, it's a spread. And sure enough, it's right below here. So they sold the 183, they bought the 181. So that's a credit spread where they believe the market will still be at least where it is or going higher. Whereas the other side of the coin, kind of like the SPY, 6:30 in the morning or about 3 minutes after opening, that's Pacific time again, they bought the 183, sold the 180. And that's a debit, so I believe the market's going to go down. Same thing again. Selling the 183, buying the 180. And toward closing time, yep, selling the 183, buying the 181. Selling the 183, buying the 181. Opening time, just the opposite, buying the 183, selling the 180. So kind of like the SPY, if you go all the way down here, in the morning, just after opening, the belief, the buys favored a market going down. But as toward closing time, the option trades belief was that the market would be maintaining where it is, if not going up some. So, very interesting day. And so anyway, it's something to think about. Nobody can't really predict the market. You just have to go on the trends and see what it is. Okay. Well, again, thank you very much for being with us today. Just a little quick wrap up on the SPY trades for today and the IWM trades for today. Hope you enjoyed it. Remember, this is for educational purposes only. And look us up on remotetradingroom.com. Thank you.